If you want to sell on Amazon but feel lost about which product to choose, don't worry, many beginners feel the same. One big mistake is focusing only on demand, which characterizes how many people want to buy a product, or focusing only on competition, which shows how many sellers are offering the same product. Because there is one more important thing, and that is choosing the right category or subcategory. A category is a large group of similar items like home and kitchen, and a subcategory is a smaller group inside that, like kitchen tools. There are many platforms available to help Amazon sellers research products. SmartScout is one of them, and we will use it to show you practical examples step by step. Watch till the end to learn how to find the best Amazon product for sales today and get a full list of platforms you can use for product research. Let's start with step 1, which includes choosing categories with low or medium competition. This means not too many sellers are offering similar products, and you have a chance to jump into a low competition field and become a strong seller. Using SmartScout's filters, you can select categories with minimum revenue of $100,000 a month to $5 million and filter brands that have 2 to 5 sellers, avoiding highly competitive areas with big brands. For example, applying these filters in the toys category reduced the options from 41,000 brands to just 129, making it easier to compete. But while you focus on choosing a strong product, let us focus on presenting it in the best way. Just visit MySpaceStudio.com to get professional Amazon graphic design services. From Amazon listing design to Amazon storefront development, we design so your Amazon product will leave no chance for competitors. For all new clients, a free trial is available. The next step is choosing products with steady demand, which means products that sell regularly every month, not just during holidays or special events. Steady demand helps you earn money consistently because customers buy these products all year round. Look for products selling at least 250 to 300 pieces every month. SmartScout subcategories tool shows revenue estimates for each product. For example, browsing the health and household category and selecting supplements reveals top-selling products and their monthly revenue, helping you identify products with consistent demand. Next step is focusing on products with fewer than 300 reviews and ratings below 4. SmartScout displays review ratings and the number of sellers for each product. For example, selecting a brand shows detailed product data including review counts and average ratings, so you can target products with fewer reviews to be the seller who provides much better products and attracts more buyers. The next step is studying the top brands in your chosen subcategory. Using the brand analysis feature lets you see all products sold by a specific brand, their estimated revenue, and more. For instance, selecting a specific brand shows you each product they sell, its price, and monthly sales, helping you understand how top brands succeed and where you can compete. Just as there are ready-analyzed platforms for Amazon product research, we've also prepared ready-to-use Canva templates that you can download and use for your Amazon listing. All you need to do is open the template, replace the product, text, and colors to match your brand style, and upload it to Amazon or another e-commerce platform to attract buyers. All links will be in the description below this video. Let's move on to the next step, and that is using the FBA calculator for profit margins. FBA calculator on the platform allows you to adjust product dimensions, weight, and price to see if your product will be profitable. For example, entering a price of $20 shows estimated profits after Amazon fees and shipping, helping you ensure at least a 30 to 40% margin, which means the amount of money you keep as profit after paying all costs like product price, Amazon fees, shipping, and storage. A good margin is important because it gives you enough profit to grow your business, invest in ads, and cover any unexpected costs. But keep an eye on the last step, which is avoiding seasonal or heavy products. The niche finder tool on the platform helps you filter out seasonal and heavy products, focusing on lightweight, year-round items like dry dog food, ensuring lower shipping and storage costs. There are several other platforms that can help Amazon sellers with product research, including Helium 10, ZonGuru, AMZScout, Viral Launch, and ZonGuru. Each platform has its own strengths depending on your experience level. But while there are many product research platforms, there are no Amazon graphic design studios like MySpace that can create professional, attractive, and high-converting Amazon designs for products in any niche. We create Amazon content that turns viewers into buyers, so be sure to check our services via the links in the description. Comment what product niche you are interested in, and be sure to like the video if it was useful. See you in the next video.